Okay, here we are with binary code place value. This is part 2. As you can see, I've put my thinking cap on. You might want to get yours too. So let's go back to our numbers. Let's think about some basic stuff that you've known for a long time. 453. We can also write it as 400 plus 50 plus 3s. Our 1s plus our 10s plus our 100s. Now, we can do that same thing with much, much larger numbers like this one. Can you expand that out? Think about your place values. 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, etc. You might want to pause here and think about what that would look like. And you should have come up with something about like this. We have 3 millions, 2 hundred thousands, 8 ten thousands, 7 thousands, 2 hundreds, 6 tens, and 3 ones. And you're probably saying, yeah, I remember doing something like this in maybe 3rd, 4th grade, maybe 2nd grade. I'm not sure. So binary is going to be different. So if we think back to this slide right here, our tens, how many ones are in our tens? 10. How many tens are in our hundreds? 10. How many hundreds are in our thousands? 10. As you see, the system of numbers you're used to is all about the number 10. There's 10 groups in each one. Binary is a little bit different. So again, just showing you ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We're actually just going up by exponents. If you don't get that part, it's okay. Don't worry about it. So binary is what we call base 2, not base 10 like we're used to. We've been using base 10 our whole lives. Now it's time to learn a new system. But you're going to be able to do it if you have your thinking cap on. So if we think about our number system, there's 10 numbers that we can put in any space. 1 through 9, and then also 0. That's a total of 10. That means that each place as we go to the left is 10 times larger. In our base 2, in our binary system, how many different choices do we have to put on those blanks? I think it's just 0 and 1, which would give us a total possibility of 2. And that would mean that each place is 2 times greater than the one before. Let me check it and see if I did it right. Yep, 0 and 1 are my choices. That gives me 2 options. That means that as I go to the left, my place values are going to double. So here we go. Here comes our numbers. We start with 1. We double that, it becomes 2. We double that, it becomes 4. We double that, it becomes 8. So actually our binary values are going to be these numbers. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Could we keep going over to the left here? We absolutely could. We could go to 256. That's twice that. We could go to 512, twice 256. We can keep going on forever, just like we can make our numbers bigger and bigger and bigger in our regular base 10 system. So if you're a little confused by this, it'll become less confusing, I think, when we learn how to count and to write some numbers. So keep working, don't give up. So again, you probably saw that these numbers are the same numbers that you started to see in this pattern, 2, 4, 8, and 16.